Hello, welcome to Grandma's YouTube channel, Storytime. I'm going to try something new since my computer really crashed. I'm going to record this on my phone. So I've got my stuffies. You can't see them because my screen isn't as wide. And my blankie, which I'm a little warm today, so I'm just going to put it in my lap. And I have a book for all of you that I want to read, but I'm especially concerned about Zoe, who was feeling sick on Sunday and Monday, and I haven't heard if she's feeling better. So I hope you're feeling better, Zoe. I know Hazel was sick the week before, so this book is for you girls especially, but for everyone. And the book is an Elephant and Piggy book. Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Okay, there's Elephant on the first page with all his sneezing happening. So I'm trying to figure out where's the camera. I want to look at you guys. Here comes Piggy. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat? Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? Stars around Piggy's head. I don't know. Choo! I can't stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! Oh, that's a big one. What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Does Elephant always kind of make things bigger than they really are? But Gerald. No, do not speak. It is too late. I'm, Smart Piggy. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald? There's a cat. Looks like he's got a stethoscope like a doctor with a question mark over his head. Elephant's so sad. He's crying and everything. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. Sometimes we need doctors. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. Elephant has that effect on his friends, doesn't he? I have a cold. Good for you. I think he shared it with Piggy by sneezing on him too many times. Always cover your trunk when you sneeze. Oh, and here's Piggy at the end. He's got a water bottle on his head. He's holding his little bunny, and he's got a thermometer in his mouth and a scarf around his neck. The end. That was a cute book. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed reading it to you. My throat's a little sore from sneezing so loud. I need to drink some water. Okay, have a wonderful day. Oh, I've got a lamp on my head, don't I? That's all right. I love you all. From my heart to your hearts. Mwah. Goodbye.